We'll guide you through how to turn off online and last seen on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp. So perhaps you've gone and found that others can go and see that you're online or when you were last seen, and you don't want this feature to be enabled. For example, I've gone and got WhatsApp on this device here, and this is this device on here, and you can go and see it's currently online. And if, let's say I went and closed it, and come out of it, it'll go and say when it was last seen, which was today at 1:40. I don't want this to be the case. I want to go and have more privacy, as if people can go and see when you're online and when you were last seen, people can go and start thinking why you ignore my messages if you don't want to go and reply. And as well as that, you may just want a bit more privacy and people may try and call you, etc. So we're going to guide you through how you can turn this off. So if you're on Android, what you need to do is on the chats page, go to the top right and press the three dots, go down and press settings. Whereas on an iPhone, all you need to do is head to the bottom right and you can go and find the option for settings like so. Now in settings, what we need to do is we can actually go and find the permissions, and that is going to be in the privacy tab. So what you want to do is go and tap on privacy like so. You can see at the top here, last seen and online. At the moment it's set to everyone. So you can go and set it to nobody to go and completely go and turn it off. What you can then do is for who can see when I'm online is you can go and set that to same as last seen. And because mine is set to nobody, nobody's going to go and see it. It's important to know if you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to go and see other people's last seen online. So now that I've gone and done that, I won't be able to go and see for other people. I understand that and I accept that. For me, it's worth the trade-off, as I don't like people knowing when I'm online and last seen. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to seeing you again in the future when we can go and help you next. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.